Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this cute little thing I picked up from Target today. It is called the Threshold Mini Office Kit. Now I was just perusing the office supplies section when I stumbled upon this. And I thought it was really cute. What I really liked and what really drew me in was the little bag. Now, this was only $9.99. It's obviously a faux leather. But I thought that it was not only cute, but I thought this was very useful, very functional. Especially if you do a lot of planning or, you take your stuff with you to use on the go. A lot of us are probably not traveling right now, but maybe we will be hopefully in the future. And this is something really good to keep all your planner supplies and all that stuff kind of contained, neat, and together. So I thought that I would open this on camera with you all so we can take a look at what's inside together. Now this is not very big. It looks like, well, it's roughly about 7 inches wide and about 5.5 inches tall. And then the thickness on my faded ruler says a little over 3 inches. So as you can see, it's very mini and compact. But let's go ahead and open it and see all the goodies that are inside. Now, the bag, or this little case, I guess, is not stuffed very full. So you obviously will keep what's in it, but then you can, add stuff to it as whatever you need. Sorry if I bumped the camera. But on the front, you can see it has office tools. It looks like a blind emboss on there. And then this is the back. And it's kind of a dusty pink color, maybe in, I wouldn't say mauve. Yeah, like a dusty pink. So what's really nice too is that all the accessories look like they're gold. So you can see you've got tape in here, stapler, really cute. So let's look at all this stuff up close. So this is plastic, and you can see it's not metal, but it's a gold plastic tape dispenser. This looks like some sticky notes, not very high quality sticky notes, but nice to have them. You also get a little clicky pencil. Now this stuff looks like it's from the Target dollar spot, to be honest. Doesn't look like it's, anything fancy, but for $9.99, what do you expect? And then you have a roll of the Scotch tape. Then we have this, which looks like it's got some clips in here. So you have a little eraser. Then you have these skeleton clips, which I really like. I remember these were popular not too long ago, but I really like using these in my planners and in my notebooks. You have a gold stapler remover. And again, this is plastic here, so it's not metal, but this actually feels like it's pretty good quality. You get some little folding scissors. How cute. If I can figure out how these work. Oh, there we go. Okay. So that's going to come in handy, especially if you're traveling. I don't know if you're allowed to bring these on the plane, but nice to have. And then you have a little mini baby stapler. And again, this is plastic here, so it's not, obviously anything too high quality. But when you put all of this stuff in the little case, you see that you have a lot of room to add other stuff. Oh, I just noticed this is 2 separate packs of sticky notes. You get like a yellow, green, and then you get a blue. So this is actually I think it's a pretty good deal for $9.99, especially because you get this cute little case and you get all the goodies inside. So if you are at your local Target, maybe check around if you're interested in picking one of these up. I think it would make a great gift, or something to use for yourself, just to keep all your stuff contained and organized and whatever. I found it in the section, you know, where they have the Nate Berkus like office stuff. It was in there, but obviously this is not Nate Berkus. I'm sure you can probably find it online too. It is called the Threshold Mini Office Kit. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video.